These Philippine security guards hired a stray cat to join the team and now they can't function without him. Meet Conan, a stray cat hired to keep a mall in the Philippines safe. He was hired after being scouted at the building's parking lot. Conan's skills are playing and sleeping more than his human colleagues. His presence makes him a highly respected and key member of the team. Now, let's ask one of his colleagues.
Yung kulang sa akin kapag wala si Conan, ma'am, yung parang nawawalan po ako ng gana, parang ganun. Parang kung wala siya, parang tinatamad po ako mag-duty. Kasi yun lang po yung talaga yung lakas ko para ma-con ko siya na yung mawala po yung mga stress.
Stay hopeful and see you next time